All right, that's fine. Oh, something took it. Oh, something just took it, you guys. Oh no. I saw my my lure just disappear and my line just. All right, let's get back in there. There's a bass back there. Oh, he took it again. I got him. Oh, baby. Oh, no, 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 no. Where's he? No, no, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, baby. You can't run from bass. Ah! Freaking, oh. Whoa, guys. Whoa, wait a second. Check out, oh, shit. Check out the inside of his mouth. He's bleeding like a lot. That's not good. I don't know. Oh, that's a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Go down. No, he's coming up. He's coming up. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Please stay down. This is a nice one. He's stuck. Oh my gosh. He just came off. Oh shit. What? What the heck just happened? A little ass bass just, I should have just cranked him in, you guys. Yo, at the end, it's weird as shit, but a little ass fish was hooked onto my thing too. That, you know, this bait's called Houdini, or the color of this bait's called Houdini. That's exactly what just happened. Oh, that's a fish. Guys, this is a nice one. Oh, he broke me off. Oh my gosh. Oh, ah! Two fish, two nice, like you guys know me, I don't really catch big fish that often. Oh my God, ah. Freaking pine tree, man. All right, you guys know me, I don't really catch big fish that often, so when I do, you know, hurts when I lose them. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm fishing this pond that I got wrecked at last time, and I'm ready today. I pinched a nerve in my neck, so my neck be hurting like crazy today. I can't like turn my head to this side. In the mornings I take cold showers, and sometimes when it's like really cold I like start like shivering like crazy, and I just pinched a nerve in my neck like that. So yeah, anyways, I'm not sure if I'll make this a two-part video, or you know, if I'll make it all one video, but regardless, we're gonna have a good time today. Today's July 5th. Let's get out on the water. Black and blue jig, shout out to Wes. Inspired me to use this guy. Let's see if my brakes are good. Big herring over there. Water's receding a lot around here. Oh yeah, the water went down a whole lot. Water's extra stained today. And it's hot. We got a little bit of cloud cover. Ooh, here we go. As I was talking, this guy's a football. Guys, this is my first jig fish. Ooh, like ever. I don't ever use the jig. This guy just smoked it. That's what a jig fish feels like. All right, well, that's a very good sign that they're biting. So Maryland, it's been really hot this past week. Like really hot, pushing, it was like 108 the other day. Oh, that was a tap. Yeah, it was like 108 degrees 2 days ago. Today it's 90. It's not as bad, but man, East Coast weather is brutal sometimes. Ooh. Oh, came off. Damn. I'm telling you guys. Oh man, he grabbed the tail. Right back in there. That's a fish. Oh, he came off. Oh, guys, okay. He's came off. Oh, he wants this thing. Perfect cast. Oh, is he on? He just hit it 3 times. Just hit it 3 times, you guys. He's not popping it. It's these hits that I'm getting are kind of like those attacking territorial attacks. You know, they're not trying to just inhale it right now to eat it. He's just kind of attacking it. So in these situations, I'm gonna go for 1 more cast. If he doesn't nail it, we're gonna throw it. So hot. Why does this keep happening? Oh, geez. All right, guys, it's a grind out here, but we'll get it done. Oh my gosh. Gosh, is he on? Oh, is he on? What is he? Oh, he's on. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this guy hit it top water. This is the feistiest fish I've ever caught. Wow, so I thought my GoPro was off, so I actually turned it off while he hit it. It's nothing crazy, but damn, that was an aggressive hit. That might be a good sign. That is an aggressive fish. Jeez, gave me a heart attack. I couldn't tell if he was on because he was swimming towards me, but I did see the line moving with him. Damn, that was one angry fish. All right, guys, so because of that top water hit, we're gonna switch over, see if this popper can get us any hits. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stay down, stay down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stay down, stay down. Oh my gosh, this is my PB. This is my PB. This is my PB. This is my freaking PB. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is what I missed last time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, finally. Where's my pliers? This is the fish that came off last time, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Hold on, let me get this for the gram. Yes. I'm legit shaking. Oh my gosh. All right, let me get away on this guy's bleeding. Oh my god. Oh. This is my PB right here, you guys. I think he's a 4-pounder. Oh my god. Oh fuck. This is the fish that broke me off last time. Oh my gosh. Let me get a weight on him. Oh my god. Let me get a weight on this guy. I don't know how he's bleeding. 3.95, 4-pounder. I don't know how he's bleeding this much. Holy shit. It's a 4-pounder. Let me soak him in the water just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know how he's bleeding this much. Oh! No, 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 no! Oh my gosh! My boots are, oh! God dang, bro. Whew. That was my PB, you guys. Yeah, so I'm soaked right now. My boots are completely soaked. So much water in here. I mean, the GoPro was recording, so I got nothing to say. I wanted to take a picture for a thumbnail, but it's all good. Man, finally. Finally. Wow. I don't know what to say. I know like a lot of people have caught way bigger fish, but for me, I normally stick with ponds. It doesn't really get bigger than that for me. Wow. I'm glad I came out here today because I broke off on a big fish last time. I guarantee you it was that one. All right, let's keep fishing. All right, guys. Usually I forget to end the video, but I'm not gonna forget this time. Make sure you like, subscribe. That was my biggest fish. Yeah, make sure you guys go like and subscribe, join the family. Send me a comment downstairs in the video if you know what I mean, and I'll reply to y'all. Make sure you send me a DM too, because I'll reply to y'all to that. Oh, my neck hurts, my neck hurts. All right, Bass Junkie out.
Coming for your love, okay, and take